Monday, 7:30 on Ninja Turtles, Heroes in a... Please stay. It's a surrender.
You know, I love field trips, but I'm really müde. And my legs, they really tun weh.
Sounds I got the Lösung for you. You need an ouch.
Was ist ein Ouch?
An Outcrop Couch. An ouch. Our scientists at the FLING department for Fieldwear Ausstattungsinnovation are trying to come up with innovative solutions for everyday problems for the field geologist. So this year we tried the state-of-art technology to come up with the ultimate solution, the Outcrop Couch.
Wunderbar!
It even comes with a handy field notebook, which contains information about every outcrop in northern Bavaria. The ouch is made of the most modern textile, so it's stain resistant, if you know what I mean. It is easy to transport. Don't believe me? Listen to this testimony.
Der Abraum, wo in der Mitte dahin liegt, der kommt teilweise aus Nürnberg, teilweise aus dem Vogtland.
Oh my god, how much does this amazing piece of equipment cost?
For limited time, it's only 14,999 euros, not including posting and packaging. And remember, we don't ship to the UK.
Does it come in any other colors?
Yeah, it comes in navy and eggshell.
Order now! You never know when it's going to rain on a field trip. We at the Department of Geofeld Ausstattungsinnovationstechnik have just the solution for you. It's Kimberlla the Field Umbrella. You just use our app, click on it, and it pops up. Now you're protected. That's so great! And for 14,999 euros, it's yours. But remember, we don't ship in the UK. So, order now!
Wait, are you a journalist?
Ja?
You're not wearing the right kit. He looks good, but something's still not right. I got it! He needs FLING. FLING is Fieldwear Bling. FLING! Here at the Department for Geofeld Ausstattungsinnovation, we come up with a solution for when you're really not that good in the field, but Field Bling still makes you look very good while being there.
How much does it cost?
It's only 14,999 without posting and packaging, and we don't deliver to the UK.
I don't have 14,999 euros.
Give it back.